Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie. And today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, guys. But let's take a look at what's going on right now, right? Obviously we're in the weekend, guys. Very low volume. You can see like just hardly anything happening, right? So first I just want to go over you guys with you know, what happens in weekends, right? So obviously this is a weekend. We had something happening here, but you know, definitely not too much, right? And then this was a weekend. Okay, this was a weekend. Very boring, right? So overall, guys, weekends are really boring. This was a weekend right there. You know, 21st, seven days before that, right? So over here, you have another weekend. So you know, weekends are not like sometimes some move happens, but overall weekends are very boring. Okay, you will not get some massive spike and stuff like that. Often, right? Not always the case. Right now we see a drop, but it's also nearly the end of the weekend. So yeah, towards the beginning of the weekend you sometimes do have some action, and towards the end, in between, not that much going on, guys. I mean, you know, I traded some, like I say, guys, alright, if I trade in the weekend, I scalp. That's all I do. I just scalp on very low time frames and make, you know, go in very small. I don't really care. You know, and then just try to play the market a little bit. Why not, right? I definitely don't go into my swing positions like I did here, you know, on the shorts and stuff like that. You just don't do that, right? You just don't do that. When, of course, you do see something at the beginning of a weekend, that's fine, right? You see like some RSI div, you know, overbought is overbought, right, guys? If it's weekend or not, that's still the same case. So, and if you do see RSI bearish diff, you know, I just have to take it. But overall, guys, the action is just not that great there. Okay, so what do I see happening right now? Well, as you can see, basically we're going down right now again. This is a Fibonacci, guys, taken from the top here to the bottom, in order to see how far did we really get. Well, we got to 382 here. We got to the 0.5, nearly 618. But, you know, for us to get bullish, we really need to get above this zone. Right? I'll mark it. For us to get bullish, we really need to get above this zone right here. This is your 61865, right? So I can obviously make this red because it's a hard zone to get through, right? This is going to be very tough to get through. This is obviously the 618 back up. So if we do get above that, well, then this obviously gets interested again, right? Here at the 6.8, 6.9, maybe even 7K. Who knows, like, how long this takes, right? We're in this channel, guys. We're definitely in this channel here. Let me just do it like that. So, you know, can we hit the yellow now? Yeah, we can. But we can also go all the way back down to the blue and then go all the way back up, right? It doesn't need to end right now. It just doesn't. So if we go out of the white, are we safe? You know, that's another question. Are we safe if we actually break through here? Well, maybe, you know. We can also do something like this. Let me draw it for you guys. Right, just a very simple brush play. Okay, so let's say we go here and then we bash through here. Okay, everyone thinks we're super bullish, but then guess what? We hit this top here, right? You see on the left we have a top there, and then what could happen is boom, right? And we test this breakout line again, and we test again, and we hit this, the old channel, and we go even lower, right? And that can definitely happen, guys. So be aware of that as well, right? It's not like if you break through that you're immediately super bullish. You're obviously breaking through a big resistance, but it doesn't mean that we need to go to the moon, to 10K and whatnot, you know, that I see already on Twitter. No, not at all. You know, we need to stay realistic, and that's just realistic of me, all right, to think that way. So what do I do on the weekends, guys? So if I want to trade, right, I go to the 5 minute, believe it or not, and I just put alerts here on my RSI, on the 30 and on the 70, And when it's overbought, well, you know, I start looking, wait for a RSI diff, you know, a bullish RSI diff if it's to the downside, and then a bearish RSI diff if it's to the bullish side, right? Because I know in the weekend it's very low volume. So what you see here, basically you went overbought here, right? You got overbought here. So what you do then? Well, you wait for the next top to form, and you're like, okay, well, it's about equal top, right? But the RSI was way higher, RSI is lower here. So, you know, maybe I should short the market, right? So you short the market and you just aim for 0.5% or something like that. Okay, you don't aim for much. You aim for about this support zone right here, and well, guess what? You get hit. So, and also probably that's a, you know, if you're very conservative, you just take the 3A2, right? You already get out here. That's fine. Or you get out at the 618, right? It's fine as well. You know, you have to kind of play that yourself, but you cannot just try to swing in the weekend, guys. I mean, you can, right? But you don't do much, right? So you swing, okay, so you swing up and then you go down again. It's one big disaster, really. You know, it's just not that much volume, so it's hard to do anything. Okay, we're pretty much still ranging here. We didn't see any crazy breakout or anything happen. So yeah, that's my quick update for Bitcoin, guys. Also, I have a Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Pygoz, and you can just check out all the tiers here, guys, and see which tier you think is awesome, and you know, which tier you would like to get. You know, you can do that. The link is in the description below. I have one patron so far, and I'm very, very grateful for having him. Alright, so also, guys, join up with my Telegram, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any questions, ask other people questions, and it's just a great chat box to be in, right? So join up with that. Let's see what's going on here. We have a bunch of charts, but I'm not going to look at that because it's mobile phone, and I mean, they just don't, you can't see much on a mobile phone. Sorry, guys. So alright, so when you are charting and you're actually getting in on the position, please don't do it by mobile phone, okay? You will just, you don't see everything on the phone, okay? It's just too small. You will miss some things, and that's crucial. Because if you have a wrong entry, well, guess what? You need to ladder in and like manage your risk, and you know, try to get out, and it's hard, okay? So trust me on that one. So let's see here. We have a chart here. This is ontology. So we A B C D E, A B C for that one. 1 2 3 4 5. That's your 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. That's your 3 then. And then your 4 is the ABC, and then you have a 5. Okay, yeah, I can see that. I can see that. Nice chart. Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. When I find an ICO, I'll tell you guys about it, to whitelist for it, so you are ready for the sale. But at the moment, don't expect any ICOs from me, because Ethereum and Neo are just very low priced, and that means that it's very hard for your ICO to outperform them, right? So it's just that simple. What I do look for in an ICO is a strong team. I look for infrastructure projects such as blockchains and protocols, and of course I look for low token metrics, right? So a low market cap, so it's easy to flip and make some money there. Also, guys, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, and follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.